Hello and welcome to the part 5 of the Ultimate React course journey. So in our previous lecture, we understood how to set up the local environment. Basically, we need these three tools: VS Code Editor, Google Chrome, and the Node. So let's check the Node version. So type Node V in the terminal and it gives us the 24. And let's go and create one folder that we will use to write our first application. I will use this my first app. So let's go to this open folder and navigate to the folder. So let's delete this existing file as we are going to create from scratch. Click on this create new file, give it name. So it will give us the basic HTML. So type exclamatory mark and hit enter. So it will give us the empty HTML structure. Let's replace the title to Hello React and add one div tag in the body. Inside this div, let's add ID equal to root. So this is all our known HTML element. So before adding a React components, let's go to the React official page. So type the react.dev. It will give us the React official page. And to learn about the installation, click on the learn, and here in the left side you will see all the React related content. So go to installation and here we have all the installation steps. So we will open this HTML page format. Here we need these two script tags. Basically, to add the React component, we need these two script tags. First one is the react.development.js. It has all the React component libraries. And the second one is the React DOM. So it is the DOM related libraries. So copy these two and paste below this div tag. So after adding this two script for the React, let's add one script tag. So for the sake of time, I have copied this script tag, and here in this script, like I have added one function with name app, and I'm rendering that app from this root. And let's go and check the output of this index.html. So we can see hello React, and this is what we have written here. So now, like, add the time functionality to show the timing on the UI. I have created one const and I have used the use state, and in this use state I am showing the local time string. So this local time string will be assigned to time, and this time we are using here. Let's copy this and let's show it. So at the end, so the final result will be hello React, it's time, and the time we will fetch from this local time string. I have used this use effect. So in this use effect, I have set the interval to update this time after 1000 milliseconds. So after each second, this will be refreshed and we will see the new time. So let's go to UI and refresh this one more time. So here we can see we are getting the clock. This is the expected result. This is getting refreshed after each second and we are getting the hello React as a clock. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel.